Hi everyone and welcome to week 2 of Writing 111. Each week I'll post a short video like this one letting you know what's up for this week and what you need to get done before class on Tuesday. So I'm at the top of our classroom. Let me move my screen over a little bit. And I'm going to scroll down to week 1 and remind you that you need to submit your introduction and your syllabus quiz by tomorrow. Those are both due on Friday of week 1. Starting next week, we're working on our second module, which is writing a personal narrative. I've included all the assignments and class materials for this module, so I do recommend scrolling through up to week 5 when the personal narrative is due. I recommend reading this assignment so that you know what's up. I won't read it to you in full here, but we'll talk about it more in class this week. But you can find the full personal narrative assignment here. Make sure you read the details, such as it's 3 to 4 pages long, and you're using the elements of narrative along with a reflection about your writing. So going back to week 2, we're going to start moving through some of the steps. So each week I've provided you with media. For this week, there are a couple of videos and a couple of handouts. So you can find all the material here. Most of them are pretty short, so pick a couple at a time and work through. These are having to do with theories of learning that will help you to think deeply about the personal narrative that you might want to write. How do I get out of this now? There we go. So you have 3 short assignments that are due next week. You'll have a response to Maslow and Cuddy, and I ask you here to read Maslow's hierarchy of needs and the video Fake It Till You Make It. And I want you to write at least 2 double-spaced pages that include a summary of each, as well as an analysis of yourself as a learner. I'm also asking you to draw on these they say, I say templates that I'll include in the classroom a few different times this semester. When I used to ask students to buy a book, it was often this book. But I think the most important part from the book, They Say, I Say, are these templates that teach you some of the major turns of phrases that people use in academic writing. So go ahead and bookmark this page. Come back to it frequently. And when you're drawing on what other people have said or written, these are a great tool that I'll also talk more about in class. So you'll do the same kind of assignment for King and Gardner. And then I've also asked you to complete a communication inventory. This assignment is a lot like the introduction in that we're writing it here together in a Google Doc. So the assignment explanation is here, and I should probably change this to the title. I'm still editing work after years of teaching the same assignment. So you can see my communication inventory here. I've filled the full page with details, and you each will share your responses below. So that's what's up for our second week of class. You have a bit more reading and viewing than usual this week, so I recommend breaking it into steps and getting a little bit done each week or each day. These are all due on Friday, the 26th of January. So before we come to class on Tuesday, I'd love it if you read over the assignment and started doing some brainstorming about what you might want to focus on. It's okay if it changes or you don't know quite yet, but challenging yourself to think about it is one of the most important first steps of writing. So I'll look forward to speaking with you all about it in class on Tuesday. Take care, everyone.